we are all here to solve it, right? So if something
Yes,
ain't
yes,
working, I want to
yes,
hear from you. What should the solution be? And the solution can't be that was,
absolutely.
I think Sanjita rightly said, there has to be some filter, blah blah blah.
Yes,
It can't be
yes,
that okay, bank khul gaya hai, sab leke paisa leke chale jao. It can't be that way, right? So
yes.
how would you solve for it? What would a solution for you look like?
Yeah. So in coming few years of banking industry, a lot of norms have changed, especially coming of 2015 and 16. We had seen when the lot of companies, the government has become too much also stingy and has become started controlling on and taking care of कि कोई कितने defaulters हो रहे हैं, or you must be in bad loans and all. The books have been now been looked into are very deep in the ones. And हमने बहुत बार notice किया the major companies always the banking industries has been giving loan to certain sectors and certain business जिनके collateral सबसे अच्छे होते हैं. Business part है हमेशा most of the times when the books were very good because the assets were very good. And see the trend of जिस पे basis पे loans होता है. जब हम MSME की बात करते हैं तो आज भी यही होता है MSME को कौन लोन दिया जाता है अच्छा ये क्या सेक्टर है तुम्हारे पास तुम्हारा घर गिरवी रख दो ठीक है गहने गिरवी रख दो अच्छा तुम्हारे घर में इनकम प्रोडक्ट क्या बेचने जा रहे हो अच्छा प्रोडक्ट मेरे हिसाब से द टाइम्स हैव चेंज नाउ वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स ई-कॉम बिजनेस मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स आर सोल्ड नॉन फिजिकली ऑनलाइन होता है इट मींस विजुअली दिखता है वर्चुअल है सब कुछ वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे जा रहे हैं तो अगर किसी कंपनी को इवैल्यूएट करना है कि प्रोडक्ट की इनोवेशन उसकी प्रोडक्ट की ग्रोथ और उसकी सेल नंबर क्या है जैसे युक्ति ने कहा मेरा प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी है बहुत अच्छा है हाँ अगर उसकी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी है तो इसका अगर उसका लॉस भी हो रहा है अगर उसकी प्रोडक्ट की लाइफ है बिकॉज आज जैसे कि टेस्ला व्हाई टेस्ला बिकेम सो बिग टेस्ला ने पहले कितने साल लॉस दिया है ये आज पिकअप किया 2-3 साल पहले में जब इन्वेस्टमेंट शुरू हुई भाई एक कंपनी थी जिसको कहा था ये पागल है गाड़ी बना रहा है he was making these all kinds of innovations. I remember we were part of the bank one of the deals I was fortunate enough to know that they were funding the Tesla that time they were banking loans rejected everywhere. You have to see the product. Many companies first 5 years have to give you losses but if any company is able to run for 5 years it means there is a chance they'll break even. पर अगर किसी भी कॉर्पोरेट को अगर शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग करना है हमें उसका 5 साल का प्लान देखने की जगह ना उसका इवेंचुअल प्लान देखना चाहिए कि उसका प्रोडक्ट लाइन क्या है अगर उसकी प्रोडक्ट्स और उसकी जो ग्रोथ लाइन है कोई भी क्योंकि आजकल लाइफ स्पैन ऑब्सोल्यूशन का आ गया प्रोडक्ट आज जैसे आज एक टाइम पे आई रिमेंबर there was an ice cream there was ice cream used to run very very strong कुल्फी बहुत बिकती थी एक टाइम पे कुल्फी बंद होगी फिर the softy cones has to come up.
Gelatos.
Yes, you have to. Whenever the bank is evaluating, हमारे को ऐसी प्रॉब्लम क्या हम बैंकिंग में जब जॉब देते हैं ना सिर्फ MBA डिग्री लेके देते हैं अगर सॉरी टू स्ट्रैटेजी और जो उसमें आते हैं ठीक है बट द रियल इज कि प्रोडक्ट उसकी लाइन क्या है उसकी प्रोडक्ट लाइन में इनोवेशन है हमें लोन सैंक्शन करना है बिकॉज वहीं से बैंक अपना पैसा लगाता है
करेक्ट
हमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है पड़ा सिर्फ वो और एक बात बताऊं सॉरी टू से मैक्सिमम टाइम्स जो बैलेंस शीट्स और जो आईटीआर के जिसके बेसिस पे लोन दिया जाता है वो मैक्सिमम सीए फ्रॉड करता है बिकॉज टैक्स किसको पे करना है भैया एक जीएसटी भी तो ऊपर से टैक्स भी तो पागल हो गया क्या तो इसलिए बैंक शुड अंडरस्टैंड मोस्ट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर डन बाय सीए नॉट बाय द एंटरप्रेन्योर्स देमसेल्व्स फाइन सो जो भी नंबर सारे इंटरेस्ट सारे इन्फ्लेटेड या डिफ्लेटेड नंबर्स है मैंने अपने सीईओ को फोन किया मेरे को लोन लगाना है यार 20 लाख का मेरी जरा आईटीआर बनाई बढ़िया वो अपने आप इमीडिएटली ही विल मेक द पेपर्स last 3 returns he will make sure that this and the next year return to be so good that the bank is evaluated and give me the loans right that's on the basis of the loans are being sanctioned right now so what I'm trying to say is the banks should become much more smarter they need an educated staff who understand the product की evaluation क्या है ऐसे एमएसएमई तो 50 लाख रुपए होंगे मेरे का करोड़ों में बैठे होंगे एमएसएमई हर कोई लोन जाता है लोन तो छोड़ो आजकल तो लोग कहते हैं झूठे लोन लेने जाते हैं इसलिए तो एमएसएमई बदनाम है बदनामी हमारे 4 बदनाम लोगों के कारण हम बेड़ागर को हमारा हुआ है नाउ डायमंड मर्चेंट इज आल्सो रजिस्टर्ड हिमसेल्फ टू एन एमएसएमई but though he's running a Bentley.
Sure.
So what I was trying to say is when we are sanctioning a loans the banks have to see the next 3 cycles या जितने भी टेन्योर का साइकिल है कि तुम्हारी प्रोडक्ट लाइन और तुम्हारा इनोवेशन तुम्हारे प्रोडक्ट की लाइन क्या है अगर तुम्हारे पास
God.
प्रोडक्ट लाइन है तो तुम इसका मतलब तुम्हारी सस्टेनेबल, आज नहीं तो कहीं ना कहीं एसेट बेच के तो लगा लेंगे.
Correct.
So
Correct.
what I was trying to say, this is how I would like to, if I was in a bank head, I would like to just change the way the loans are being sanctioned and the paper profile and check thing is happening. There is no profile checking hoti nahi hai, because I understand it's very difficult for the banks, like we work in investment banking, बहुत सारे projects आते हैं, but anywhere where the product line has a life, any product, they say we have a product which is different from the market, is different, because हर कोई आजकल product, हर कोई सामान बेच रहा है, मेरी तरह
Got it.
बड़े सारे लोग बेच रहे हैं. So I think there needs to be a product line,
Sure.
product based.
Sure. No, I mean, absolutely with
There's
you.
a downside to that, Madan. I agree with her that we should look at the product, but basically they're not qualified to be able to evaluate either
Yeah,
products
evaluate
or
that,
the
exactly.
markets.
That is what the
Or
problem
the
is.
market. So banks need to start looking at entrepreneurs in a different light. She's right about the books and
Yeah.
everything, but the
Yeah.
problem
Yeah.
is, I might think that I've made this Aladdin movement, but it may or may not be true. So how do the banks evaluate? They stick to data, and data doesn't say what the fact is. And how can you tell them 5 years down the line, ye khadi rahegi ki baith jayegi? It's a different thing. So I know that if you look at equity funding, if you have a name, any of the big four in your name in the past 1 year, you may have done an internship there. लेकिन अगर वो McKinsey या Deloitte का नाम आ जाता है, funding हो जाती है. No matter how teacher your idea, it doesn't matter. They'll still fund you. Same way it works with the banks. If you're able to bring in some references, or if you're able to show that you've sold to XYZ, then you're fine. And they don't really look beyond that. So that has to change. And that's where I feel that, the audit part of when the loan is, that's where bodies need to be created. And when I said that the and risk management part, how the audit has to be done and who's going to guarantee it, if those two are not linked up together, they are not going to take risks on small entrepreneurs. Why should they? They want guarantees. Who can give?
Yeah. So solution comes expert panels will say
Yes, there needs to be.
and you have to customize the underwriting process for that industry and
Not only that, there needs to be a continuous and proactive collaboration between the main body, if you're talking about MSME ministry or whoever, and interfaces like GAME or something, where if a loan is rejected, for suppose Sumedha went for a loan and she wasn't able to prove, then GAME should step in and say, here's our study and this is what can happen. Maybe there's a cost to that, but it can be done. One more question that I put in the previous women's channel. Most people don't even know what they are going to ask and what they are looking for. Please help with that, because I know I wasted a lot of time, money and energy getting my first pitch made, which was a waste of time. You should just get up and talk. But what they are looking for, how they'll interpret your data, you do need expert help with that. I think GAME should also, step into things like that.
Very true, Sanjita. Actually, that's what I meant
Very
also. If we have somebody pitching for us from, say, GAME or
No,
any
Durga,
established-
I don't agree that you should have anybody pitch for you, because how you will speak about your business and your ideas,
Yeah.
nobody else can. But if somebody helps you highlight your story, explain how your data is actually in your favor, explain your roadmap, explain your fit to market, then you have a better chance of bringing across your points. It's just
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Formalize your pitch. Formalize your
Correct.
pitch is what I'm saying.
Yes, that meant to. I mean, make us look more bankable.
Yeah. And Madan, correct. Yeah. And Madan, the whole thing about risk appetite, that risk appetite can only be mitigated by a government body. Mudra loan, somebody was telling the other day, they got refused. What nonsense. If you're going to give a 5 lakh loan to, was it you? I'm so sorry.
That was me multiple
How can you refuse a Mudra loan? It's meant for somebody who's probably not going to pay it back. It's meant, that is if you read what that loan is meant for, it's meant
that's
for
what
you
I'm
to
saying,
default on.
My condition is so pathetic that I get rejected for a Mudra loan.
Yeah, so,
Very true.
those products, the Mudra, the CGT, SME, somebody mentioned, those products GAME should get involved with and, stand there and say that this is my member, here's her idea and tell me why it can't be done. You know, that's when you guys need to
So
come
the
in.
whole preparation for the entrepreneur to pitch to a bank, and how do you make sure that you're not wasting time and you know exactly what to pitch for? Exactly.
That's one. That's one.
We have Priyanka. In the interest of time, let me just move quickly. Priyanka, can I have you and Sudhakar,
Yes.
Yukti? Yeah, if you can just share your points, that would be great.
Yeah, so very quickly, so we can see all across, we agree that we need an expert panel to evaluate the options. Now, there is a little bit of expert panel, where does the data go? Because it's such a huge country and the number of micro it's not the same. I mean, you need a very special focus industry. It's very different from the small and the medium. So in the MSME, which that they enjoy about 18% of the priority lending that is dedicated in our budgets. So there, out of the 18%, how much is really going to the micro? If you think about it, because micro itself is another, like, you know, you were talking in your innovation map. So that has unique niche requirements. So
Correct.
But in my example, I was just saying the other day, so I'm from handloom. So if I go in to a banker, he will not understand. He is going to ask me what explain to him anything. So there is a very this thing also is that we should you know, you asked if you were the finance minister what it is that we would be doing. So what I would like to do is expand. I would like to expand the focus on micro enterprises, and along with them, like NSCRs and other government-led agencies. From Assam, the Assam government has protocols in place. So if you are a good, get a grant of about 50 lakhs to scale up, grant of about 5 POC stage. If you're a well-deserving startup, then you get. But how do you connect that with the Assam? Game cannot be here all the time. So there are government agencies that need to work in liaison different branches that are there in place. So therefore, data management is very important, and also along with other things that I just mentioned.
Got it. Okay, understand. So can we quickly get Yukti and Ashutosh into the Ashutosh and Sudhakar? You already shared a few things, so can you get into the conversation?
So you know, while Sanjita is talking about knowing how to make a pitch, and Sumedha is talking about a collateral, in my case, I have raised investor funding. So I can safely say that I knew how to pitch. If I could pitch to investors, I could pitch to a bank. I had an asset, I had a collateral, and yet the loan was rejected on the primary principle of ability to repay. So if you're going to look at MSMEs and gauge them on the ability to repay, you're not going to be able to find that in our books or in any way else. So I think your question was that if I were a bank, what would make me lend? I would actually try to, understand what is the market size and what is the value that this enterprise is bringing to the table. What change are they, going to bring? The other, I think, is a community-driven approach rather than one of monopolistic power games.
Yeah.
Because the size of our population is our advantage. It makes the market so large that there is a space for everybody. Only when you give the opportunity do you make it sustainable and then ensure that we become a country which has one of the highest per capita incomes. Otherwise, if the funding or the access is only in the hands of a few, it's not sustainable for our economy from a long-term point of view as well.
Absolutely with you, Yukti. Yeah.
Madan, there are two things which I feel, if it is an advice to the ministers, I think there is a CSR activity which is loosely done by many corporates just for the sake of doing things, right? Right. I mean, I know many corporates for the sake of doing, somebody who is not a good performer in organization is put into CSR activity.